Welcome to Little 4 Acres. So today we're situated just outside of North Petherton, backdrop of the Quantock Hills, and this rather, I'm going to call it unassuming property. It's a lovely home in its own right, but what it has is land to go with it. It's in total just under 4 acres, but 3 acres of paddocks. It's got an awful lot to offer, so let's go on inside and take a look. So let's talk a little bit about the property now. We have a total of 4 bedrooms, 2 on the ground floor, 2 on the first floor with bathrooms. This amazing balcony, which really does allow you morning, lunchtime, evening to enjoy the serenity of the setting, the backdrop and the views. It's absolutely lovely. This is proving to be the perfect summer, I haven't said that for a few years, to enjoy this sort of space where outdoors meets indoors, jacuzzi, privacy, sunshine, shade. That'll do nicely. So I'm currently in the half-acre adjoining paddock with great views beyond. We've also got the photovoltaic panels that form part of the energy efficiency of this lovely home, along with the air source heat pump. There's also some thermal tubes, so we are really set for future-proofing against raised energy costs. The other thing to mention is we also have the ownership of the field on the opposite side of the road, about 2.5 acres. So not only are you protecting your boundary, but actually if you say, I'd rather not have the upkeep, we've got a neighbouring farmer who's very happy to continue with an informal agreement to manage that land. As we all know, Somerset is the home of cider. So an orchard behind me gives you the options of your own cider making or apple juice, other fruit options as well. Backdrop behind us is a paddock. It's just lovely here.